Now let's take a look at the keyboard. The keyboard is an input device. The keyboard is a direct communication link with the computer. Whatever you type is sent directly to the computer. Most keyboards come with their own software known as drivers. Otherwise, you have to get drivers and load them. If you want to change the keyboard settings, you will have to go to the control panel. There are many different types of computers. The ergonomic computer has been specially designed to relieve stress. Many keyboards come with adjustable rests so that the angle at which the user types on the keyboard can be changed according to his/her requirements. The chair you are sitting on will also make a difference to the way you type. Ideally, you should type with your wrist parallel to your arms. If you have a chair whose height can be adjusted, it will be good for your typing. Many typists face repetitive strain injury, which is sore wrists because of wrong typing methods, especially when they are working for long periods.